Hey guys, what's up? I lost my train of thoughts, and that's funny because I'm on a train. Get it? Train. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone in the back. Yeah, everyone. Thank you for the applause. Helps a lot. Makes me feel good. Thank you. Makes me feel good. I'm looking for you guys. You guys are the best. Thanks. What would you guys have said instead of a train? What if it was like a plane going by? A jet. I'm showing right now, if you guys can hear me. That's what it's about. That's what my life is about. You guys make me laugh all the time. Even if it's like a little schoolgirl. The end. Be sure to like, subscribe, and favorite this video. Thank you guys for watching, and have a good day. Peace.